As apprehension looms large on the meat-consuming community of Meghalaya with the Assam government's new Cattle Protection Bill, Principal Secretary in charge of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, GHP Raju, on Tuesday said the department will first examine the bill and review the situation of the local cattle traders before taking up the matter with the Assam government.
The best breed of the cows are available from Assam. So definitely we will take up the matter with the Assam, my counterpart, identify the best breed of the cows for the breeding purpose. We can as well buy from Assam. So that's why, what are the provisions of that act? We have to study carefully. So any cow brought for the purpose of slaughter, especially brought from Assam, perhaps maybe that is prohibited for slaughter purpose. But I don't think any government will ban buy and sale of the cows for the purpose of agriculture or the purpose of breeding or the dairy purpose. Meghalaya government has launched a prestigious milk mission with an investment of nearly 215 crores. There is a huge demand for cows now for the milk purpose. Most of the farmers from Assam, especially from Garo Hills, they go to neighboring districts of Assam. They buy cows for the milk purpose. I don't think any government bans the sale or the buying of the sale of the cows for the purpose of domestication, for agriculture purpose. So we have to be very sure of what are the provisions of this act or the bill. Most of the local traders whom we authorized to bring the cattle, they bring cattle from West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh also, because there is a huge demand for the meat here. So if that legitimate business is adversely affected, that is not acceptable to us. We will certainly take up with the appropriate authority in the Assam government. We will authorize, we will certify who are the legitimate traders. So their transit through Assam has to be facilitated. It cannot be put to the inconvenience, no.
Speaking about the insufficiency of beef production in Meghalaya, GHP Raju said that the government has not contemplated any mission in a systematic manner related to beef production.
There has to be a special equipment. There has to be a specially trained manpower for processing the meat and certifying the meat, because a team of doctors have to certify the meat, that its suitability for human consumption as well as health of the animals. It's a very, very specialized subject. But as of now, for the meat processing, there is no policy except establishing one abattoir in Maulai area of Shillong, where it is the government invested and established this abattoir for meat production for the local consumption. Government of India has initiated the Act East policy. If you look at the countries, nearby countries, the neighboring countries, including the entire Northeast, this is basically meat based. The meat is accepted here. So there is a huge demand for the processed meat. I'm very sure in near future, Meghalaya government, I'm very sure as an animal husbandry department will come up with a policy for the meat, the production on a commercial scale in a highly scientific and hygienic environment, complying with the standards set by the government of India.
To cater to the growing demand for beef in the state, the government is implementing artificial insemination, which is sponsored by the Government of India under the Rashtriya Gokul Mission to enhance the local breed for milk and meat production.
For example, we are introducing an exotic breed from Andhra Pradesh. It's called Ongole bull. This Ongole bull, it's a local breed, but it has enormous body mass. It gains a weight of nearly 500 kgs, and it is best suited to Meghalaya weather conditions, and it is disease resistant. The quality of the meat it produces is very, very high quality. So we are introducing this Ongole bull semen through artificial insemination of our local cows. We have already started a pilot project. To begin with, we have brought nearly 1,200. It's called straws, the semen straws of the Ongole bull.
According to him, the project will benefit both dairy farming and meat production in Meghalaya, adding that the department will bring bulls from Andhra Pradesh in the next 20 days as part of the pilot project. TNT Bureau.